My name is Paul MacPherson. I've been a pipeline welder for just under 30 years now. From a very young age, when my dad was working over in that construction yard there, it's always seemed to be part of us. I knew that it's something I always wanted to do. We work in plus 55 degrees in Saudi Arabia to minus 30 degrees just off the Arctic Circle. At times it's really tough. We work at heights, at times we work in confined spaces, where sometimes it's not possible to be dragging power leads about the place. We work 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, so we need our tools to be able to last that amount of time as well. We stop, the job stops, we can't have that. Reliability is what we need. At the end of the day, the job's got to get done, and we just need a tool that can keep up with us.